And we have a very busy month in the month of March. Today I'm live in Mrs. Gore's classroom, and I have two pledgers, and their names are.
Noah.
If you could, please stand, place your hand over your heart, face the American flag, and join Sophia and Noah as we do the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas Pledge. Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Will you please remain standing for our moment of silence? Thank you. At this point, you may be seated. And we'll go ahead and do our Monday meditation, so go ahead and get as comfortable as you can in your seat. Place your hands on your legs. And if you feel comfortable, close your eyes. Take in a deep breath. In through your mouth. In through your nose and out through the mouth gently. And then let's go ahead and do it a second time. In through the nose and out through the mouth. All right, so let's go ahead and do it a third time, and this time I want you to focus on all the things you are going to get done today. So go ahead and take in a deep breath, and release that breath. We are still in No Place for Hate School. That means that we do our best to treat everyone fairly. We do our best to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like you. We make sure that if someone is being hurt or bullied, we tell a teacher. And we help others to feel safe and happy at school. We are part of making our school a no place for hate. So today, on the first day of March, there are no birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you. We do have a number of announcements. We are doing our TELPAS testing for face-to-face students, 3rd and 4th grade, listening and speaking. Teachers, please take attendance early if you are testing to avoid using the computer. No subs or non-certified staff in your room. Be mindful of students in the restrooms by these locations. Nurse Hernandez sent a message to the staff about a current service that will be available tomorrow. Please pay attention to that. Also, this month we celebrate Music in Schools Month. So there is a fun challenge that Ms. Sims sent to all of the teachers. So please take a look at that. And it is Happy School Diagnostician Week. So if you get a chance, please tell Ms. Wynn that we are thankful for her. The character education theme for this month is respect. Our quote comes to us from businessman Richard Branson, who said, "Respect is how to treat everyone." All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
I'm sorry, my first graders were a little bit asleep, so I'm going to have Mrs. Gore's whole group help me out. Make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
Don't they sound great? Okay, have yourself a marvelous Monday. All right, friends, thank you so much. Thank you.